Hi there, Joe DiPaolo here with DiPaolo Financial Group, and today we're going to talk about the home mortgage refinance comparison calculator. As we go through this is a very good calculator to determine whether or not it makes sense to refinance your mortgage on your property. Oftentimes we see this when somebody's evaluating maybe refinancing from a 30-year mortgage to a 15-year mortgage at a different rate. So follow along with me here and we'll take it for a test drive. So the original principal on this loan, they're asking what the original loan amount was on the property or the mortgage that you're currently in. So let's just say that was $400,000. And let's say your interest rate on that mortgage was 6%. And if that was a 30-year mortgage, your principal and interest portion of that payment would be $23.98. The calculator calculates that. If you're making extra mortgage payments, you would want to put that in here. For this purpose, I'm not gonna put that in. And then we're also gonna put in the current balance. So let's assume in this scenario that you owe $350,000 on this mortgage. Okay. Now, over on the right-hand side, it's going to ask you to input the information on the new mortgage that you're considering. So let's say the new mortgage is 5%. And instead of a 360-month mortgage, it's going to be a 180-month mortgage. All right, so that's a 15-year mortgage instead of a 30. And again, let's assume that we're not making any extra payments on this per month. And your current balance would be the same. It would be $350,000. So if we hit calculate from there, it's going to show us down below the impact of that over time. So as you can see in the blue box, very neatly it summarizes that if you happen to do this type of mortgage, that you'd have the mortgage paid off 82 months faster, and then you would actually pay $130,000 less in interest over the course of that. So if you're looking to pay less interest on the mortgage, this might be an example of something that you might want to do. Also, I just want to put this in mind as you're using this calculator. Most mortgages are going to have some closing costs wrapped into that as well. So just make sure you're accounting for those either separately or represented in your interest rate.